Okay, welcome to Lucas Family Farm. We're at week 4.5 for these Cornish cross broilers. They seem to be doing real good. Fared a lot of good storms that came through here. Chicken tractor is held up. They're eating at least 25 pounds worth of food a day. They're drinking probably about, I would say 7 gallons, if not a little bit more water a day. Bell water is working real good. I mix apple cider vinegar in the water. I just got to watch the filter in the water system and make sure it doesn't get clogged up with anything. But that'll keep the water running real good. Good morning, Obi-Wan. Are you watching the ladies? We do have predators that keep coming around. So far, the electric fencing is working fine. I put up just a secondary fencing here to go ahead and kind of give a pre-warning, slow them down a little bit. But the one fencing here is doing really well. But otherwise, all very happy little birds, gaining weight. We put an average on the scale the other day. It is 3.5 pounds. I like to try to get them up to over 6 pounds for processing weight. So be able to get somewhere around a 5-pound bird, which is just fine for dinner. And smart enough, you can get probably 3 dinners out of it. 3 meals anyway. I wouldn't call them all dinners. Had to go to a lot larger feeder. But otherwise, happy birds. Keep checking in. Like and subscribe. We'll go ahead and keep you updated on these guys as they make their happy little journey through life. Thanks again.